US stocks closed firmly lower on Tuesday after Iran fired over 100 ballistic missiles at Israel, pushing oil prices for West Texas Intermediate and Brent to their biggest increases in nearly a year. Job openings in the US surprisingly increased in August, furthering the narrative that while the labor market is cooling, it's not rapidly slowing. The Institute for Supply Management said its manufacturing PMI was unchanged at 47.2 last month. A strike by dockworkers began on the east and Gulf coasts, threatening to halt the flow of half the US's ocean shipping. Chinese property stocks extended gains on Wednesday after Beijing followed other major cities in China in relaxing home purchase rule. The CBOE Volatility Index, an options-based indicator of demand for protection from market swings, rose to a 3-week high of 20.73 on Tuesday, before paring gains to trade at 19.25. Most Asian stock markets sunk on Wednesday, catching up with the sell-off on Wall Street after Iran's ballistic missile strike on Israel. Traders are pricing in a 38% chance that the Federal Reserve will lower interest rates by 50 basis points in November, up from bets of around 35% on Monday but down from 58% a week ago. The S&P 500 ended little changed on Wednesday, with technology shares gaining but investors nervous about Middle East tensions and more US labor data due this week. ADP data released Wednesday showed better than expected private payroll growth in September. Markets in mainland China will remain closed until 8 October for a week-long holiday, while South Korea will be shut Thursday for National Foundation Day. The Indian government on Tuesday appointed 3 new external members to the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee. India gross goods and services tax collection growth in September reached a 40-month low of 6.5%, resulting in revenues of 1.73 lakh rupees crore. After adjusting refunds, GST collection grew merely 3.9%, slowest so far in the current fiscal year. Nifty extended its fall to a third session on 1 October. At close, Nifty was down 0.05% or 13.9 points at 25,796.6. Nifty formed a small candle on 1 October with a large upper shadow. After a large fall in the previous session, Nifty seems to be consolidating. Nifty could face resistance from the 25956 to 6011 band while 25446 could offer support in the near term.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.